Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tanu Gold Jewelry. Today I am going to show you lightweight beautiful pearl choker necklace designs. These choker necklace designs are very lightweight and very cute. I hope you like this collection very much, so watch the video till the end. And friends, if you visiting my channel first time, then please like, comment, share this video. And if you like my jewelry collection, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more gorgeous jewelry